Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Netflix proxy detected. So if you open Netflix and it says proxy detected and won't open, so it's very simple on how you can fix it. First up, you need to make sure that you disconnect all source of VPN. So just go to your settings and then general and then scroll down until you find VPN and device management, and right over here just make sure that it's not connected to any source of VPN. Once you're done with that, you just need to go to your Wi-Fi and then just press on Wi-Fi information tab and scroll down until you find configure proxy, or you can just go for configure DNS if you don't want to do the proxy, because proxy can be lengthy. So just go to configure DNS, and right over here you'll see the option of manual and automatic. Just switch to manual, and then you gotta add a new server. Don't delete the server you got before because it's the Wi-Fi, and then just simply press on add server, and then the first DNS should be 8.8.8.8, and then add another DNS server. It should be 8.8.4.4. Once you've done this, just simply press save and check Netflix, and it should work, and it won't say any proxy detected. If it's still not working, just simply hard reset your phone. Just simply tap and hold the power button and reset your phone and open it up again, and it will work. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.